So I wrote this song especially with her in mind. With your kind permission, I'd like to sing it for you now. Goes something like this. Oh, bright little star, though I'm light years away from her now, I can't help but to feel that somehow we're both wishing on you. I imagine your light in her eyes as she gazes up into the skies. At this moment does she realize you are in my eyes too. Oh, bright little star, is she wishing the same wish as me? That somewhere out in space there may be a nice planet for two, where someday we'll be all alone in our own galaxy, dancing under a star canopy, and our favorite is you. Someday, somewhere, I will find her in the universe above. Tell her, little star, I'll surround her with all my love. Good night, little star, watch and keep her till we meet again, in the glow of a love without end, shining brightly like you do. And every night, as we gaze at your loving starlight, we will know that when wishes are right, they will always come true.